Hey kids, today I have a really cool thing for you guys. We're going to prep for Mother's Day. So I got a really nice piece of meat. I got this from Japan. Check out this, Vicky. Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? Does it look like normal beef?
No.
Why not? What does it have that's different? Look at this.
It kind of has,
those white lines there.
Yeah, this is called marbling. And this has intense marbling. This is basically from a Japanese cow. This kind of cow is called Wagyu. And this specific cow is from Kagoshima in the very south of Japan. This is some of the best meat in the world. Because basically when you have intense marbling like this, the meat gets really flavorful. So we're going to cook that today for Mama, and we're going to sear the steak today in the cast iron inside that oven, and then also do a little bit of scallops. And then we're gonna get Mama and see if she likes it. If she does, we'll do it again for Mother's Day, all right? What I think might be a little bit too big to cook it like this, so I'm going to cut it into half to have two equal blocks. Look at this, beautiful. And there you go. Can you put just a little bit of salt on this, guys?
Okay.
There you go. Beautiful. Let me get that cast iron in here. Whoa, sorry. And get it heated up already. All right, once you got your cast iron nice and piping hot, let's check the temperature on this. It's 540, 550 degrees. Perfect, perfect for searing. We can put our Wagyu in there and we just sear it for a couple of minutes in that crazy hot fire. Oh wow, beautiful. Look at that piece too. Absolutely amazing crust. Beautiful crust. Look at the sizzle. Wow. You guys want to do a secret bite already? Before Mama comes?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wait a second because it's super hot right now. But yeah, let's go for a little taste. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's not that hot, just blow it. It's amazing. Tell me what you think. It's good, right? And that's the beauty of Wagyu. Okay, now scallops. And look at this. So the Wagyu rendered down, the Wagyu fat rendered down, so we're cooking these scallops in Wagyu fat now. So they're going to actually have a little bit of that flavor.
That scallop is done.
Yeah, they're actually going to have a little bit of flavor of that meat. It's so hot, I don't even need to put it back in the grill. I'm cooking it right here in the hot skillet, in that hot Wagyu fat. But let's just pop it in just for a second to that hot oven. All right, kids, our Wagyu A5 Kagoshima beef is done. Did some scallops on a bed of seaweed. What do you guys think? You already tried some of the beef?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was delicious.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama, surprise. We've done a little test cook for Mother's Day. Potentially, this might be in your future on Mother's Day. But it is right here in front of you, so do you want to try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Yeah?
Ella,
Just
you
go
wanna
right in.
try
I
it?
didn't even bring any forks.
You don't have it.
Tiny one.
Did you guys cook this?
Yeah, in the oven.
Wow, super soft.
Honey,
You're okay, honey. You're okay.
Oh, look, Mama went right for the seaweed. These guys were like, I don't know if we're going to like the seaweed. And I said, Mama's going to like the seaweed.
I love the seaweed. Stella, you want to try the seaweed? Or the meat? The scallop? So nothing.
I really just want it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Would you like more of this?
I want to try.
The meat or the scallop? Both things? Do you like this?
A little bit of lemon juice.
Oh, okay, hold on, Silly. Wait,
wow.
I need to get some scallop
The
before you guys
scallop
finish
is amazing. Really sweet. Sweet and really flavorful. Really good.
It's sweet
Let me
because
try the
it's
meat.
lemon.
It's
Right,
yummy.
really good, the scallop, yeah. Oh, scallop, guys. Still got some scallops in the oven. Gonna get those out. Gonna overcook. And here they are, look guys. Wow. So these scallops are actually seared in the fat of the Wagyu. So they're seared in the beef fat, so that makes them even, more tasty. But
They're really good.
But I mean, you tried them already, so they're
Lep,
very delicious. So we got a couple more here.
What do you like more? The beef? The Wagyu, is it, no?
Yeah, surf and turf.
Or the scallops?
Well, I never really liked scallops, so I like the beef one.
Yeah,
Yeah?
you like the beef more? You like both things? This is super good. One time, probably 2 years ago, Papa cooked for me, right?
Yeah?
Was it for
No, last year probably.
Mother's Day too?
Yeah.
Scallops.
Always Mother's Day, birthdays, Mother Day, Valentine's Day. Those are the important dates. Yeah,
But these
I
are
love
much
it.
better, I
Yeah,
think,
it's
than
good.
last time.
This is nice, yeah. I really like this. I think this is definitely success.
Oh, that's okay. You can eat
No,
it.
but we
I think this is a special meal.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet. What made it more special is that my babies.
Yeah, thank you guys.
too?
Thank you for
and that
helping.
one too.
Oh yeah, and that one that's over there. It's not on camera.
Right, and did you know the flowers were edible? Anybody wants to
who
eat a
wants
flower?
to try the
Okay,
flowers?
wait, not yet, not yet.
No? What's happening?
Christella.
They look pretty and you can eat them.
Okay. How is this? So, grab one.
Okay, should we
Can we
all
all
try
do the
one?
taste test?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, I
Stella,
want a
we're all
yellow
gonna
one.
try a flower. You want a flower?
I will eat some.
What? Do you want to? You want to try?
Really?
it?
I will eat one.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Then have another one.
Okay, go, mommy.
Wait.
Okay. 3,
Do you think they're weird?
2, 1. I'm not gonna eat it.
That's weird. I need to wash it down with Wagyu. Oh, it's so much better.
With more scallop. Vicky, more scallop, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I could inspire you a little bit, give you some ideas what you can do for Mother's Day. And, it's easy to do and this is full of flavor. Amazing scallops, amazing meat, and amazing company. Thank you so much, honey. See you guys soon. Bye.
Honey, she wants to kiss.
Bye.